and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've finished these 3 paintings that I got from Sophie's Beauty. I am happy with the quality of the diamonds and the way this one went. I'm hopefully going to frame these, but at the moment I can't get out to get a frame, so I might have to have a look online and see what I can find. Yes, they were a lot of white. For some reason, a lot of white is a lot better than a lot of black. Don't ask me why, but it is. Each of these were 30 by 40, and they are a true 30 by 40 canvas size. And yeah, I just do the white in a block. I sort of zone out a little bit, do a few patterns, do a few in diagonals. Yeah, just mix it up a bit. So that's the first one. So they're all very similar, but they're not the same. This is the second one. So you can see there's similarities, but they are different. And I'm hoping these will go up in my haul. And then that's the third one. So say not much difference between them all. I did kit them up all as one, and they were pretty much, all the symbols were the same, apart from I did realise right near the end, or sorry, I was doing this first one, this C, the letter H on this one is 928 and on the others it's S, but I did realise it was quite clear when I put some in here that they were completely wrong, so I learnt. That was the only symbol that was different. But say I did kit them all up together, and this is what I have left. So no fear of running out of any diamonds. Of the white, I've still got half of a very big tub. Even the smaller ones, I think this one's probably one of the ones I have the least of, and if I remember rightly, there was at least one, if not more, that I pinched a pack or two for my Heaven and Earth designs. It might have even been this one, and there is no fear of them running out. I didn't even have to sort of check my reference and go, oh yeah, I took it for my Heaven and Earth designs. It just doesn't matter. This trash isn't from this painting. There wasn't a lot of trash at all, or rubbish from this painting. All the diamonds were really good quality. So I'm going to de-kit this one in a bit, but I wanted to show you what was left. Even if I can get them to shape, down, and even then when I sort of straighten it up for you guys, there's loads left. There is just absolutely loads left. No fear of running out of any. And as I say, the diamond quality was really nice. So hopefully I'll be able to find some nice frames for these soon, possibly a black frame, but with no mount. I was thinking of putting a mount on them, but I think because they're sort of a series of 3, I was thinking just a nice bold black line might look nice between them. But I'll have a look and see what it is that I can find that can deliver to me. Or if it's a place that maybe can be picked up with the shopping with hubby or something. We'll see. But yeah, they were fun to do. I did really enjoy doing them. Even if it was 3 of the same, I just sort of did a load of white until I got to the point of, okay, I need to fill some gaps, and then I did a load more white and did it that way, just listening to my audiobook or watching YouTube. Depends on my mood. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed these. These are from Sophie's Beauty on AliExpress. I will pop a link down below so that you can see, but I got these with the intention of them going somewhere in my house, so hopefully these are going to go in my hallway. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.